Doctors' offices and emergency rooms are packed with respiratory illness patients after the holiday. For the last couple of years, doctors have mostly been dealing with COVID-19. Now they're dealing with COVID and several other respiratory illnesses all at once. Laura Varshevsky reports.
Top doctors at Mercy and SSM Health say respiratory illness season is in full swing and certain illnesses are ramping up sooner than expected.
That RSV had probably already peaked and was starting to come down. So that's good that was starting to loosen up. Our flu cases for being admitted to the hospital were just about equivalent with our COVID cases. So, which, is good and bad. It's good that, our COVID is not going out of control. But it's bad that we're seeing so many flu admissions this early in the year.
After the Thanksgiving holiday, Mercy's chair of the Department of Medicine, Dr. Farron Mannion, wants you to keep a close eye on symptoms as it can take days for them to pop up.
COVID has gotten a little bit shorter than the original strain, so it's the average is like 3 to 4 days instead of like influenza, which is on the average like 1 to 2 days.
SSM Health's Chief Community Health Officer, Dr. Alex Garza, says right now primary care, urgent care, and emergency rooms are very busy, but it's manageable, and examining your symptoms at home can keep it that way.
If you're young, otherwise healthy, don't have any serious signs and symptoms aside from, a fever or cough, but aren't feeling short of breath, stuff like that. Home remedies, still a good bet.
Dr. Mannion says the good news is the vaccines are working, flu shots in particular.
It really looks like the strains that are in the vaccine have quite a bit of similarity with what's going around, and at least in animal studies.
And those RSV numbers have been increasing across the country, including here in Idaho. Earlier this week, the only children's hospital in the state was at capacity for pediatric patients, so 2 children had to be transferred to other hospitals. Coming up at 4:30, News Channel 7's Jude Binkley will break down RSV case counts and trends in Idaho and steps parents can take to keep their kids healthy.